So I don't buy many cobalt tools from Lowe's. This one is okay. It's a reamer for copper pipe. I use it for CPVC. I'm not sure what they say it's for, but it works just fine. It takes the little burrs off, smooths out the edge of the pipe. Oh. Gonna do it right. Whoops. This thing has a direction. Oh, it's getting it. Nice and smooth. Yeah. Got a little bump on one end. Enough. And needs a little bit of sandpaper. All right, let me measure it. I'll come back with my sandpaper. There's a little bit of remnant glue left on it. I need to smooth out.